Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, September 28th at 8:30 in the morning. Hurricane Ian is approaching us here in Orlando, and this is going to be about, I don't know, maybe a whole day or 2-day event. We're going to start seeing strong winds and heavy rain at around 9 o'clock this morning. So I wanted to go ahead and get some video and show you the calm before the storm. These are my trees back here. But what I like to focus in on is these cypress trees all the way out here. So you can see them. When the winds start, I'm going to try to come out and get a video of them, see which way they're facing and how far down the winds got them blowing. I think about 3 years ago we lost the top of one of those trees, maybe the one in the middle. We lost the top of that. Let me get back in. It's starting to rain. So we will be updating you throughout the storm. Stay tuned. All right, here we are, guys. What is it? 4 o'clock? About 4 o'clock, and we have one of these sails coming by. It's hard to see the rain. It's blowing very hard. Coming right in off this roof over here. That was a tree limb. All right, I'm gonna go inside before I get hit by a tree limb. We'll show you some more later. Well, here we are, Thursday morning. I'm not gonna lie, it was a long night. The weather radio kept alarming and sounding. Flash floods all night. They were looking for flash floods. I came out here about 2 o'clock and there was water all the way up to right here. You can still see a little bit of standing water there, but the water was over my patio. There's some over there, but all that water was over my patio. There's a creek back behind these fences and 2 retention ponds. So a little bit later, after some of this wind calms down, I'm gonna go over and check it out and see if we're actually trapped here in our neighborhood, because we have creeks all around us. And retention ponds and canals. So I'm not sure if we're trapped back here or not. There's a few neighborhoods all around us that are underwater. We've seen rescue. 30 people had to be rescued from an apartment complex down on Curry Ford. There's my tree friends. So we still have our trees. We still have our roof. That's good. Day 2, huh? My goodness. So hopefully by noon it'll be pulled out of here. So according to my rain gauge, we got about 14 and a half, almost 15 inches of rain. I think our highest wind speed gust was at 35 miles an hour. So we've been doing good. We've been fine. Never lost any electricity. It flickered off and on a couple of times. I think my papaya tree and my avocado tree, they're bent over. Here's the front. As you can see, it's still a little breezy. Alright guys, so again, we're doing good. Looks like everybody in my neighborhood seems to be okay. Hopefully about noon this thing will get on out of here. We will talk to you guys later.